I'm asking Melissa to dry her hair because I just bleached it, and she's saying that she doesn't really want to. Here she is with her input.
I don't have the energy to do it. I'm so sorry. I won't do it. I refuse.
Well, I just came out with a new product called Instant Hair Dryer. You just put all your hair in a towel and you
Wait, and you wait, and you wait, and you wait, and then you have dry hair, no matter what. It didn't work for me. It won't work for
Why didn't it work for you?
because you're a failure. I'm a failure.
This is very, very strange. I don't care, motherfucker. This computer is slow.
It's ancient.
I can't live with this shit anymore.